Hey, what's up guys? Thank you for checking out this video. Today we have an unboxing of the Aukey lightning cable with the nylon threads, replacing my original iPhone lightning cable. These suck, the original ones that come with the iPhone themselves. This is the second Aukey branded cable. I've already bought one, the USB-C type. These work very well. Even the one that came with Samsung for my Note 8, it took a crap on me, but the ones that come, these Aukey ones, I highly recommend them. So let's get this open. A little hard to open. So you can pick these up on Amazon. They're about $5.99. I believe that the lightning one is about $7.99, but I bought this one came in a 2-pack. It was $4.99 and it's worked great. Had it over 8 months now, no issues whatsoever. Definitely lasts longer than the original ones that it comes with. So if you're in the market for a lightning cable or a USB-C, I definitely highly recommend these. I've also bought the cheap 3-pack lightning cables that cost around $4.99. Those are terrible. I stay away from those non-name brand ones from China. Now, like I said, Aukey, I highly recommend. Thanks for watching this video. You guys have a good one. Take it easy.